All right, so welcome back. Like, share, subscribe to this video. So once again, missed another damn trade because I was trying to get my setup correct. Everything was taking so long, and the trade went ahead and moved without me. Although I had it set up since earlier today. So I'm just going to give you a recap of what's going on right now. Um, so I was looking forward. Woke up around maybe, well, start looking at the charts around 7 something today. And, I anticipated the market to push down, which I should have took sales and I didn't as an ass because I was looking for buys. And I set up my sale at uh, 44.20. I'm just so fucking upset. I don't even feel like doing this damn video. I set up my entries for this morning. I didn't take the sales, which I should have because I was anticipating the buys, which actually happened. Luckily, I didn't get in right in because with my previous stop loss, it would have stopped me out right here. My stop loss was probably right there, probably a couple of pips over. So I'm sitting around watching the trade. It dumped into my entry area. Then it started to push up, came back down again, and my computer started tripping, so I couldn't see my chart. So I missed this entry and this one. All right. So looking at it, it came right back to my entry. Came into my entry one, two, three, four, 5 times this morning, and I didn't take either one trade, which is disheartening for me. Now the market is shooting up. I could have been done trading today. And part of that is, look at that, 80 points, 86, 88. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to go with it. I'm still struggling on the psychology side of things, the fear of the loss. I just want to win, and I can't accept to lose, which is costing me a lot of money. All right. Um, because I want all of my trades to be perfect. And then when you set up that perfect trade and you lose, then it's like, damn. Or you set up that perfect trade and you don't get your entry, it's like, damn. Like, let's say, for instance, I guess it makes sense in some cases because you just got to have a strategy. Like, I don't necessarily like taking trades at 8:30 in the morning because with US30, it sometimes takes off, which it did this morning. Well, not 8:30, 9:30. It takes off. So if I were to set up my trade to get in with my 50-point stop loss from earlier, which I pulled it down, I would have gotten stopped out just by literally like probably 4 points. Okay. I am so upset right now. You could probably hear it in my voice. So, with that said, I would have gotten stopped out. So, when I say that, when you set up a stop loss, wherever you set that stop loss at, push it back, a few points, just to be on the safe side. It'll help you out a lot in the future. So, anyway, I would have gotten stopped out with that 9:30 push down. But it once it came back into my area, I should have been confident enough to take the trades. Even with the pullback, it closed over my hourly support on the 5 minute. I should have taken that as an indication that the the market was holding or the support was holding, and I should have took the other entry. Now, if I did take the other entry at that point, I would have been up right now 113 points. Okay. So it's the fear of getting stopped out. You have to get over that. And I'm still struggling with that. And it's costing me a lot of money every week. And I just can't seem to break it. Look at this shit. This is very, very upsetting. Anyway, go ahead, like, subscribe, and follow the channel. I'm going to give you guys live video, whether win or lose, I'm going to give it to you live. So look at that. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. It respected my setup, after the 9:30 push. Okay, so I just got to get to the drawing board. Um, get my trading times in check, stick to it, and stick with the trade, stick with my confidence and build confidence. And I'm here to help you guys. I know I'm not the only one struggling with that. So the difference is, I'm letting you guys know what I'm struggling with. And, if that helps you, while I find a solution for myself, maybe it'll help you at the same time. But I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Again, like, share, subscribe.